Words, meanings, usage, sentences, synonyms, and antonyms. Bhagidari, participation, involvement. Engagement, partnership, contribution. Usage, participation in community events. Helps build strong relationships. सामुदायिक कार्यक्रमों में भाग लेने से मजबूत संबंध बनाने में मदद मिलती है. Synonyms, engagement, involvement. Antonyms, isolation, detachment. प्रौद्योगिकी, technology, tech, applied. Science, engineering. Usage, technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. प्रौद्योगिकी ने हमारे जीवन को बदल दिया है. Synonyms, engineering, applied science. Antonyms, primitiveness, simplicity. नवाचार, innovation, novelty, newness. Creativity, invention. Usage, innovation is key to staying competitive in the market. कंपनी के नवाचार ने उसे बाजार में अग्रणी बना दिया. Synonyms, creativity, invention. Antonyms, tradition, stagnation. संरक्षण, protection, preservation. Conservation, safeguarding. Usage, conservation of natural resources as essential for sustainability. Environmental protection is important. पर्यावरण का संरक्षण महत्वपूर्ण है. Synonyms, preservation, safeguarding. Antonyms, destruction, neglect. स्थिरता, sustainability, stability, durability. Resilience, endurance. Usage, economic stability is crucial for the growth of a nation. Sentence, समाज की स्थिरता के लिए सामंजस्य आवश्यक है. Synonyms, stability, durability. Antonyms, instability, volatility. विकास, development, growth. Advancement, progress, evolution. Usage, the development of infrastructure is vital for economic growth. Sentence, गांवों का विकास तेजी से हो रहा है. Synonyms, growth, advancement. Antonyms, regression, decline. प्रबंधन, management, administration. Organization, supervision, control. Usage, effective management is crucial for the success of any project. Sentence, कंपनी का प्रबंधन बहुत ही कुशल है. Synonyms, administration, supervision. Antonyms, mismanagement, disorganization. उद्योग, industry, business, sector, trade. Enterprise. Usage, the automotive industry is a major contributor to the economy. Sentence, देश का उद्योग क्षेत्र तेजी से बढ़ रहा है. Synonyms, business, trade. Antonyms, agriculture, hobby. परियोजना, project, plan, scheme, program. Venture. Usage, the new construction project will start next month. इस परियोजना का उद्देश्य ग्रामीण विकास है. Synonyms, plan, scheme. Antonyms, impromptu, spontaneous. संवेदनशीलता, sensitivity, responsiveness. Sensibility, awareness, delicacy. Usage, sensitivity towards others' feelings as essential in relationships. उसकी संवेदनशीलता ने सबको प्रभावित किया. Synonyms, responsiveness, awareness. Antonyms, insensitivity, indifference. Samaveshan, inclusion, incorporation, integration. Assimilation, addition. Usage, inclusion of diverse perspectives leads to better solutions. टीम में सभी सदस्यों का समावेशन महत्वपूर्ण है. Synonyms, incorporation, integration. Antonyms, exclusion, omission. समानता, equality, parity, balance, uniformity, fairness. Usage, equality in opportunities as a fundamental right. Sentence, समाज में समानता लाना जरूरी है. Synonyms: parity, fairness. Antonyms: inequality, disparity. Pragati, progress, advancement, development, improvement, growth. Usage: technological advancements have led to significant progress in medicine. Sentence: शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में प्रगति हो रही है. Synonyms: advancement, growth. Antonyms: regression, stagnation. Ayam: dimension, aspect, facet, measure. Magnitude. Usage: the project covers various dimensions of social welfare. Sentence: इस मुद्दे के कई आयाम हैं. Synonyms: aspect, facet. Antonyms: simplicity, uniformity. Pradarsan, performance, display, exhibition, show. Demonstration. Usage: the performance of the team was exceptional. Sentence: कलाकार का प्रदर्शन अद्भुत था. Synonyms: display, show. Antonyms: inactivity, concealment. Vinamrata, humility, modesty, meekness. Politeness, submission. Usage: humility is a virtue that earns respect. उसकी विनम्रता ने सबका दिल जीत लिया. Synonyms: modesty, meekness. Antonyms: arrogance, pride. Prabhav, impact, influence, effect, consequence. Repercussion. Usage: the impact of the new policy will be seen in the coming months. इस फैसले का समाज पर गहरा प्रभाव पड़ेगा. Synonyms: influence, effect. Antonyms: ineffectiveness, insignificance. Pratishtha, prestige, reputation, honor, status. Standing. Usage: the university has a global reputation for excellence. His reputation is very high. उसकी प्रतिष्ठा बहुत उच्च है. Synonyms: reputation, honor. Antonyms: disgrace, dishonor. वास्तविकता, reality, actuality, truth, fact. Existence. Usage: accepting reality is the first step towards solving a problem. We must accept reality. हमें वास्तविकता को स्वीकार करना चाहिए. Synonyms: actuality, truth. Antonyms: illusion, fantasy. अवधारणा, concept, idea, notion, theory. Perception. Usage: the concept of freedom varies across cultures. It is important to understand this concept. इस अवधारणा को समझना जरूरी है. Synonyms: idea, theory. Antonyms: confusion, misunderstanding. Shakti, power, strength, force, might, energy. Usage: knowledge is power. Sentence: एकता में शक्ति है. There is power in unity. Synonyms: strength, force. Antonyms: weakness, frailty. प्रयास, effort, attempt, endeavor, try, exertion. Usage: success requires consistent effort. हमें अपने लक्ष्य को पाने के लिए प्रयास करना चाहिए. We must strive to achieve our goal. Synonyms: attempt, endeavor. Antonyms: idleness, laziness. Sanskriti, culture, tradition, heritage, customs, civilization. Usage: Indian culture is known for its diversity. Sentence: हमें अपनी संस्कृति का सम्मान करना चाहिए. Synonyms: tradition, heritage. Antonyms: modernity, innovation. Samadhan, solution, resolution, answer, remedy. Fix. Usage: finding a solution to the problem took several days. Sentence: हर समस्या का समाधान होता है. Synonyms: resolution, remedy. Antonyms: problem, complication. आविष्कार, invention, discovery, creation. Innovation, breakthrough. Usage: the invention of the wheel was a major milestone. पहिए का आविष्कार एक प्रमुख मील का पत्थर था. Synonyms: discovery, creation. Antonyms: destruction, dismantling. Srijan, creation, formation, production. Genesis, inception, creativity. Usage: art is a form of creation. Sentence: सृजनशील. सृजनशीलता एक कलाकार की पहचान है. Creativity is the hallmark of an artist. Synonyms: formation, production. Antonyms: destruction, annihilation. Pravritti, tendency, trend, inclination, propensity. Habit. Usage: there is a tendency to follow the crowd. Sentence: उसकी प्रवृत्ति हमेशा सही होती है. Synonyms: trend, inclination. Antonyms: anomaly, rarity. प्रयोजन, purpose, intention, aim, objective, goal. Usage: the purpose of the meeting is to discuss the new policy. Sentence: इस काम का क्या प्रयोजन है? What is the purpose of this work? Synonyms: intention, aim. Antonyms: aimlessness, purposelessness. Sanrakshan, protection, preservation. Conservation, safeguarding. Usage: wildlife conservation is crucial for maintaining biodiversity. Sentence: हमें वन्यजीवों का संरक्षण करना चाहिए. We should conserve wildlife. Synonyms: preservation, safeguarding. Antonyms: neglect, destruction. आवश्यकता, necessity, need, requirement. Essential, demand. Usage: water is a basic necessity for life. Sentence: यह वस्त्र आपकी आवश्यकता पूरी करेगा. Synonyms: need, requirement. Antonyms: luxury, surplus. प्रभावशीलता, effectiveness, efficiency, potency, impact, efficacy. Usage: the effectiveness of the new drug is still being studied. Sentence: इस योजना की प्रभावशीलता पर सवाल उठ रहे हैं. Synonyms: efficiency, potency. Antonyms: ineffectiveness, inefficiency.